Today we're going to show you one of my successful attempts at pork loin.
You'll need a measuring cup, teriyaki sauce, a butcher knife, your cutting board, pepper, garlic, and your pork loin. The first thing we're going to do is rinse off our pork loin.
We're going to pat this dry. Big old pork loin, 4.5 pounds. We'll set it right there. First we'll break the garlic up. Get one of these at Walmart, and then you break it up and get some heads out, or some cloves out. There's 1, 2, 3. We're going to add an extra one. This is a big one. So we'll set this aside. And clean these up. First we're going to get all the peel off, and then we're going to mince them up fine, starting with slices. You know, we take the ends off first, and then we can cut it part way through, and it gets your peel started. Makes it a lot easier. Sometimes I just cut them right in half like this, and then it kind of falls away. But you're still going to take this. I take them and rinse them a little bit and get the remaining peels off. So I'll take them just like this and slice them real thin like this. Cut them the other way. That is ready to use. Now, this bad boy right in there. Then we'll get us approximately 2/3 a cup of this going on. Sometimes when I'm less patient, I do this. Just about 2/3 is good. You can put a little more. It helps. Then you put this in here. Now I like it kind of spicy, so again, you just kind of save a little time. Go just like that. You can put freshly ground pepper if you want. That's probably about a teaspoon or so in there. Now that's good to go. Now we're going to mix this up a little bit. Now we're going to put our frozen roller in there, all in one piece. Let them get a big old round grip. We're going to take out most of the air. Because we are looking for this to absorb the liquid. Get that zipped up so that it stays, and now you got a nice air tight, not a lot of air in there, and it's taking on that flavor starting right now. And so we're going to let this go into the refrigerator in a bag on a plate, all in one piece just like that. And then we're going to go to that refrigerator every once in a while during the next 2 or 3 hours, and we're going to massage this so that it'll exchange those flavors and soak up that garlic. It's all freshly chopped in there, and the pepper is now getting soft with the teriyaki, and the teriyaki sauce is penetrating pork loin.
1 hour later.
And then every once in a while, we get it out, move it around a little bit, turn it, let that juice get evenly distributed. Turn it over and put it back.
2 hours later.
And now we're going to take this out and turn it again. We're getting it all good and flavorful here by letting the thyme and the refrigerator do its work. The liquid is almost absorbed compared to where we started out. And we're looking for this to be almost completely dry before we take it out. You can see it's getting close. So we're gaining.
Meanwhile,
And we are now going to turn our grill on high and get it all ready for cooking after we made sure we got plenty of gas and we get the grill all cleaned up, ready to go.
a few moments later.
Okay, this has been in the refrigerator now for approximately 3 hours, and as you can see, the vast majority of the liquid has been soaked up by the meat. There's still some in there, and that's okay. We save most of the liquid. So squeeze it, it'll come out. But now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out to our preheated grill and put it directly on there and let it start cooking. Okay, now we are getting somewhere. She's getting nice and hot. We got our pork roast ready to go in right here. We got the obligatory glass of wine, and here is our secret weapon, the cast iron skillet, which will come into play as soon as our meat begins to get going under this flame. We're going to turn this way down right after we put it in, but we want it nice and hot when it goes in because it's going to sear that meat and keep that moisture inside. Okay, our grill is good and hot. Our roast is ready to go. My hands are clean and washed. We're going to take this bad boy out carefully because we don't want to waste any of this juice that we have left over. You can see the garlic stuck to this. Okay, that's okay. That's what we want. The pepper and the garlic is all in there. So now we're going to push it together a little bit and we're going to put it right there. And now we're going to turn this to low. And this one to low. And this one to low. And then we're going to close the lid and give her a little time. Alright, you can see that it's nice 250, a little plus. Okay, it's been in here for probably an hour, I don't know for sure. But if you look at it now, it's starting to caramelize around the outside and we're starting to get a little bit of grease dripping out of there. So we're going to pull it early because of the weather. Here comes our secret weapon. This is the cast iron skillet. So we're going to put this guy right here. Break it from the bottom. And move it right here. There's some little crunchies here that we kind of like. We'll get those. Because they are delectable. Move this. And move this over here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it, light it up. That's the ADD going on. Okay, so now it's all lined up right. And we're going to take this extra juice that we were talking about and we're just going to pour that right in there. If we'd have left it on much longer, you'd see a lot of grease dripping out, and that's not a good thing because it will burn. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll leave this on low, we'll close it up.
When the internal temperature reaches 145 to 150, it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and slice it up and take it off. Before serving, you want to use a ladle and baste it with the juices that are in the bottom of the pan.
And now we're going to plate it all up. It's ready to go. So we start with the little vegetables. These are easy, right in the microwave, right out of the can. This is the macaroni and cheese. We'll show you how to make this later, but you're definitely going to want this with this dish, okay? And then we'll grab a big old slab of this. I don't really want an end cut, so I'm going to take this one right here and maybe just one more like this. And you can see how it's penetrated there really nice, and we can get a little bit of juice. Maybe that's really hot. Yeah, a little bit. And we'll just drizzle that right on there, and it's good to go.